pushing your car? Are you pushing that trike? Oh, beep beep. Beep beep. Say beep beep. Oh, did you run your fire truck over? Did you run your fire truck over? Sit in there. Let's see you sit. Yeah, you got belly like Dada. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Push it through. You want Dada to fix? Okay. Get up. Get up. Here, go back in. Go back in. Sit back down. Sit in your trike. Sit. Sit. I'll hit the buttons. Push it. Push it. You gonna go down the slide again? Are you gonna go down the slide again? Where are you going?